Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a leftover to good food. So what I just did, I cut 3 onions and 1 tomato, and I put some oil in the pot, and when the oil was hot, and I add those onions and tomato to the pot. That's all I just add. I did not add nothing yet. So this is the chicken. I had a chicken, a leftover chicken, so I grilled the chicken and rolled the chicken, so it was a leftover. It was too much, so what I did, I cut all those chicken in little pieces like this, you see, like a little pieces. So what I'm doing now, I'm frying the onions, and I'm gonna put some sazon on it. I'm gonna put 2 sazon, and I'm gonna show you guys the seasoning to the one I'm gonna be using. So I just add the sazon. So those are the seasoning I'm going to be using. The Maggi, all my days, and the garlic salt, and the chicken salt. So I'm going to add those 4 seasonings to it. And after, I'm going to add a little bit of water to it, and I'm going to add the chicken, okay? Okay, this is the water I'm going to add. Not too much water because the chicken is ready cooked already, so you don't need too much water to it. So you see, I just add the water, not too much water, because I'm adding the water so the onions can cook. So I'm gonna add the chicken to it. So I just add the chicken to it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close it now. Like this sauce, you can eat this with white rice. You can able to boil the pasta and put this on top of pasta and mix it, which is good. This is a good sauce. I always like to do this anytime I have a leftover chicken. So I will make this, and you can cook a white rice and put a little bit of okra to it and put this on top of it. You will eat it. This sauce just like a lafidi sauce, basically. Like we Mandingo people say, like lafidi kunsima. You can eat lafidi kunsima. So you can eat this like a lafidi. You can eat it with pasta. You can even cook a fufu. You can able to cook fufu and eat this with fufu. It will taste so good with it too. Alright. Okay, I add 2 pepper to it too, so it's nice. Like you see, the oil is coming out now. So it's like a gravy, see? So it's almost done. The onions is cooked already. It's very like easy food to make. Like 20 minutes you're done because the chicken is cooked already. So you just frying the stuff. You just want to make sure the onions is cooked. The onions is cooked. So you can eat this food with rice, fufu, with pasta. You can cook a pasta and just put this on top of it and mix it, and you have a food. So thank you for watching our cuisine. Please subscribe. Love you guys. Bye, y'all.